Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x is equal to 12. So, my only variable in this equation is x, so that's the variable I'm going to be solving for. And now for my solution. So I have 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x is equal to 12. And what I'm first going to do is factor out 3 to the power of x. So I get 3 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, so I get 3 to the power of x times 2 is equal to 12. So from here, we want to isolate x. And to do that, we have to get rid of this times 2 by dividing both sides by 2. So now these two cancel out. And I'm left with 3 to the power of x is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So now I have basically another equation from this much larger equation. So this is much more simplified. I have 3 to the power of x is equal to 6. So to solve this, well, we know that x is going to be a decimal because 3 to the power of 1 is 3 and 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So x is going to be somewhere in between 1 and 2. So we want to find the exact value of x. So how are we going to do that? Well, I'm going to first start by taking the log on both sides. So I get log 3 to the power of x is equal to log 6. And from here, if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this turns into b times log a. So I have log 3 to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So I get x times log 3 is equal to log 6. Now I'm going to divide both sides by log 3, because again, we want to isolate x. So by doing this, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 6 over log 3. Now, what I'm going to do is rewrite log 6 as log of 3 times 2. So I have log 3 times 2 over log 3. And if I have something in the form log of a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So log of 3 times 2 is equal to log of 3 plus log of 2. And I have this over log of 3. So now this turns into log of 3 over log 3 plus log of 2 over log 3. And now these two cancel out, so I get x is equal to 1 plus log of 2 over log of 3. Now, log of 2 is equal to 0.301, and log of 3 is equal to 0.4771. So I get x is equal to 1 plus 0.301 over 0.4771. And 0.301 over 0.4771 is 0.6309. So I have x is equal to 1 plus 0.6309, which is equal to 1.6309. So this is my solution. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the expression 5 to the power of log base 25 of 6. So to solve this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a simple property of logarithms that states that if I have something in the form log base a of b, this is equal to ln of b over ln of a. So in this case, I have log base 25 of 6. And this is the same thing as ln of 6 over ln of 25, which is the same thing as ln of 6 over ln of 5 squared. Now another property of logarithms is if I have something in the form ln a to the power b, this is equal to b times ln a. So this is the same thing now as ln 6 over 2 times ln 5. Which I'm actually going to rewrite this as 1 over 2 times ln 5 times ln 6. So now going back, I have 5 to the power of 1 over 2 times ln 5 times ln 6. Now, if I have something in the form e to the power of ln of x, this is just equal to x because the e and the ln cancel out. E times ln is 1, and I can just move the x to the front. So what I'm going to do is if I have something in the form e to the ln 5, this means that this is equal to 5. So I'm going to rewrite 5 here as e to the power of ln 5. So now I have e to the power of ln 5 to the power of 1 over 2 times ln 5 to the power of ln 6. Now these two cancel out, and the e and the ln cancel out. So I'm left with 6 to the power of 1/2. And 6 to the power of 1/2 is, this is going to be the same thing as the square root of 6. So the square root of 6 is my solution to this expression. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends or family and see if they can solve this. Bye.